I was searching through a tote of my father's things and I discovered this saw the other day, and just recently it became my most favorite saw in this entire shop. I've got plenty of DeWalt electric saws, but this guy has got some meaning to me. But let's get back to work. Got 3 of the 4 legs done. Got to cut some more spacers. Old carpenter trick. You got your square and you got your chisel. We're going to use it to score our lines for our saw. Now we got a nice little indentation on our 2x4 here. Now we just let her rip. Heck yeah. It's coming along nicely.